How are you guys? I think this one is one of the best multi-tools. Is the Wingman by Leatherman. Very cool. It's one of my favorites. It's lightweight. I like it because it's small, and they have just the basic stuff that I need for carry every day. It's very simple. Actually, they have a clip on the back right here. You see, very little. They have the basic. They have the Phillips, the flat driver, scissors. You have here the knife with a serrated blade on the back. You see it right there. They have a can opener, bottle opener. They have another driver right here, and they have this tool that is very good for, I think is one of the most, the best. They have a ruler right there on the back too. And I think this one is one of the best, this tool right here, because I use it for, it's for open boxes, that's what I use almost every day. I like a lot this tool. Curve supplier right here, cable cutters right here. I think it's one of my favorites, this one. Thanks for watching.